Hello everybody, in today's video I want to show you how to change language in your Google Drive. First step is you need to go to your Drive. So currently I'm in my Drive, and the next step is we want to click on this gear icon in top right corner. From here we want to go to settings. In the settings you want to scroll all the way down to change language settings. This will redirect you to your Google account settings page. And here you can see I have preferred language English. If you don't have English and you want to set, for example, English, you want to click on add another language here, then type English. You can select English, and now you can choose if you want to use English United Kingdom or United States. So if I want to use this one, I can click on save. Now it should add right in those languages. So you can see it right here. If you want to make this your main language, you want to click on this arrow to make this your preferred, and it will basically change everything in your Google Drive to this language. So I can change this whenever I want. Now you just have to go to your Drive and you want to refresh the page, and you will have your language which you changed. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.